And welcome back to Island Life Live. It's Community College Week, and the University of Hawaii Community College system is celebrating 60 years.
Right on. This week, we're traveling to all islands to visit each of the 7 campuses. Today, our Nikki Keholani Holbrook takes us to Hawai'i Community College.
For over 80 years, Hawai'i Community College has providing amazing educational opportunities for the community here. So Chancellor Susan, I'd love to hear about some of the programs that are here and what's happening on campus.
So we have over 26 programs for credit, and then we also have another 1,200 non-credit students that we try to provide opportunities for apprenticeship and other kinds of workforce development. 50% of our students are in the trades programs, and so we have carpentry, welding, diesel, mechanics, but we have some exciting new programs that we're starting up this fall, and just recently we approved the Marine Option Program. What they've done with that program has just been nothing short of amazing.
The Marine Option Program here at Hawai'i Community College involves all sorts of experiential learning and hands-on things with sea turtles in particular, but offering lots of other marine-related opportunities to students to support this new academic subject certificate. Learning about the ocean is imperative to where we live. It's also imperative to understanding our livelihoods, our health, our environment, and the more that we can understand the ocean, the more that is going to allow our students to gain experience needed to again be those stewards of the ocean, those decision makers, and educate their own community and their own families about how we can protect the ocean.
The Marine Option Program is really kind of fascinating because it encompasses anything to do with the ocean. Anything from shoreline maintenance to conservation, turtle tagging. If there's anything it's tangled in, we cut it off and make sure the turtle's healthy. We're doing things that are advancing the welfare of these animals. The possibilities and the experience are fantastic.
I enjoy that Hawai'i Community College gives me one-on-one experiences with the teachers and professors. I can really talk to them and get detailed feedback on my homework, what I should do, and things that I'm looking towards in the future. And their insight is super helpful.
I'm doing a research project for the Marine Option Program, and I also like hands-on experience with the turtles because that is part of my research. I'm using the data, and so it's nice to get the both hands-on and analytical parts of the Marine Option Program so I can get my foot into the door of research. The class sizes are small, so I get more hands-on experience. The teachers are really nice, and everyone is very tight-knit, so if someone's confused or having trouble, we always help each other out. I feel like what I learn here will prepare me for future experiences and education.
What's the range of students that you see coming to Hawai'i Community College?
We have many programs in the early college and the high schools around here. Students start at early college, move on up, and we have, what is it? The oldest student is maybe 70, in the 70s or something like that. So it's all about learning. We have agriculture. We have all kinds of things within our kauhale, or what we call our village or ohana of courses here. What we try to do is start them early, get them through early college, and then bring them in and be able to employ them where they stay on this island. That's really important for us, the sustainability of the island.
All right, mahalo for that, Nikki. Now, tomorrow, our Lena girl takes us on Huaka'i to Kapi'olani and Windward Community College. Can't wait for that, sister.
Yeah.